that we have here. So I'm going to pick this one. Now once you select it, it comes up to the page immediately. Take it to the top or where you want your write-up to be. Now I'm going to change the color of this by coming down here and selecting white. Then select, you can see just here was given white. I'll select D and give it white. Remember to choose a color that matches your background so it blends well. Now I'm going to disable this text because they're joined together. If I'm moving one, everything seems to go together. To do that, just simply go to the top here and select ungroup. Once you have that done, select D, select the pack mailer nuptials, and here you have two separate texts. Now I'm going to change the text of the pack mailer nuptials to classic restaurants. Next thing you want to do is click on the plus sign and add some images to make it look more catchy. To do that, select the illustration, then select frame, and if you don't have frame down here, you could always type in frames. Now I'm going to make use of this frame here, which is a cycle frame. Just adjust it a bit. I'm going to make use of image this time. Go to this search bar and type in food, search, and go with this one. To duplicate this image by coming up here, select copy, bring it down to the bottom here. Then duplicate again and bring it to the right here. Here we go. Now once you have that done, all you need to do is arrange these images. So here we have the images all arranged together. Next I want to do is add the contact details below. So I'm going to duplicate this classic restaurant so I don't have to type again. Here I'll type in order duplicate this text, arrange it under, and type in call. Then you could put in your phone number, the phone number of the business you want to do. Adjust it, make sure they're all in one line. Now type in the days open, Monday to this is how to create a simple flyer for your business. Now when you're done with all your design, you can simply click on the down arrow here and saves into your phone. Just wait for it to process. Then we're done. Stay tuned for next.